Welcome to MTV, Model Tech Videos, your place for fast-paced, high-energy learning.
Welcome, educators. Today, we're going to look at how to use Canva Code to build interactive widgets for your classrooms. If you're looking for inspiration to get started, you can explore excellent tools like custom classroom timers, name randomizers, pattern creators, historical timeline builders, chemical equation balancers, rhetorical analysis organizers, or plane plotters, right from our Shared Ideas widget. Let's dive into how you can build and share these yourself. Get started by selecting the code icon on Canva's homepage to access the AI dialog box. No coding is required. Simply describe your project in plain English for instant creation. You can also link student interactions to a Canva sheet for automated data tracking. After your widget renders, you can test it in edit mode or by using the preview button on the top toolbar to verify accuracy and responsiveness. For any necessary adjustments, return to the Canva Code chat box and continue chatting with the AI. Then, return to preview your changes made. When you're ready to publish your design, simply click the purple Publish Website button along the top toolbar. Then click the purple Publish button at the bottom of the page. Your interactive web link is instantly ready to be shared with students or coworkers. And just like that, you have a responsive, data-capturing, interactive tool ready for your next lesson. Head over to Canva Code, try out some prompts, and start bringing your ideas to life today. Happy teaching!